Friday, October 26th, 2012. J. Cruz Style and Lucky Player Vodka present the 4th annual Black and Orange Ball, Orlando's premier Halloween event, featuring a winner-take-all costume contest where the best dressed will walk away with a cash and prize package valued at over $4,000. So wear a costume to win or dress to impress in your best black and orange outfit. Featuring Lucky Player Vodka drink specials, Lucky Player Vodka bottle service, just $100 in advance. The 4th annual Black and Orange Ball. It all kicks off at 10 p.m. at the Abbey in downtown Orlando. The first 80 people through the door receive a Skull Shambhala bracelet, courtesy of BleakToChic.com. The 4th annual Black and Orange Ball, hosted by Jade, located at the Abbey, 100 South Eola Drive in downtown Orlando. Tickets are $10 in advance, $15 at the door. For tickets, VIP packages, and more, visit www.blackandorangeball.com or www.jcruzstyle.com. The 4th annual Black and Orange Ball, Orlando's premier Halloween event. Sponsored by Lucky Player Vodka, Trey Chic, Salon CeeLo, The Abbey, and J. Cruz Style.